Making your own chemical-free household cleaner is a great way to reduce your exposure to toxic chemicals and save money. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make your own chemical-free household cleaner. 1. Gather your materials. You will need a spray bottle, white vinegar, water, and essential oils of your choice. 2. Mix the ingredients. In your spray bottle, mix equal parts water and white vinegar. You can add up to 20 drops of essential oils per 16 ounces of solution. Some good options for essential oils are lemon, peppermint, eucalyptus, and tea tree oil. 3. Shake the bottle. Shake the bottle well to mix the ingredients. 4. Label the bottle. Label the bottle with the contents and date, so you know what you have made and when. 5. Use the cleaner. Spray the cleaner on surfaces and wipe clean with a microfiber cloth or paper towel. 6. Repeat as needed. The solution can be used for several cleaning tasks such as kitchen surfaces, bathroom, mirrors, and windows. Repeat the process as needed. 7. Store the bottle. Once you finish using the cleaner, store the bottle in a cool, dry place. This solution is great for general cleaning, but you can also create a different solution depending on the task you need to do. For example, a solution with baking soda and water can be used to clean the oven. Summary: making your own chemical-free household cleaner is a great way to reduce your exposure to toxic chemicals and save money. By gathering your materials, mixing the ingredients, shaking the bottle, labeling the bottle and using the cleaner, you can create a non-toxic solution for your cleaning needs. Repeat the process as needed and store the cleaner in a cool and dry place.